Well, good evening everybody, and welcome to day 100 of lockdown. We finally got there. Who'd have thought 100 days ago when I made that first video, when I'd just finished work, I'd been sent home, and I said I was just going to come out just to maybe do a few videos just to make sure my mum and dad know I'm okay, and just gives me something to do really. And then here we are 100 days later, still doing the videos, and the amount of wildlife and nature we've spotted over that time, over those 100 days, when we look back, has been pretty amazing really. And I thought it'd be quite good to just look back over that time and just take another look at the highlights of all the wildlife and nature that we've come across. Take a look. pretty amazing. It was pretty good to see all that again. The owls, the tawny owls, the woodpeckers, the fox of course, the buzzard, and of course the kestrels, and all the other little cameo roles in between that from the robin and various other birds. It's been a great journey. I've really enjoyed it, and I've learnt a lot as well, and I hope you have too. Now, I'll be honest, this wasn't quite how I planned it. It's been absolutely chucking it down recently here in West Lancashire. We've had a lot of rain, it's very damp underfoot, and there's a lot of surface flooding, shall we say, especially in and around the stream area. But I did manage to get out yesterday evening, only for about 20 minutes, but I just came to check up on the kestrels, and I'm pleased to say that all 4 were out of the nest box, and they were just up in the tree, just where the nest box is, just in and around the tree, just jumping around and having a little fly around. So yeah, they're definitely moving away from the nest box and preparing to make their own way in life, I suppose. I have had a quick look with the binoculars, and I've just seen 2 up in the tree, and I'm just going to go a bit further around the meadow and just have a closer look and see what we can spot. And of course I'll let you know anything of interest. Shall we go? Okay, let's crack on. You can see how that heavy downpour has completely changed the look of the landscape. All these grasses that were all sort of waist height on me have all just been flattened. It just looks a different meadow altogether. Okay, so I'm just stood in the corner of the field now. I'm just looking over at the tree where the nest box is, and I don't know whether you can see, but there's actually 5 kestrels in the tree. There's one in the box that you won't be able to see. There's one on the box, but there's one just there, and there's one just there. So that's 4, and then there's another one just in the tree, but it's hidden. You might not be able to see it, but I can see it with the binoculars. All 5 are out, so one of them must be the parent. That's one of the youngsters, just flying around now, from tree to tree. You can hear it landing back in its nest box tree, joining in with all the others. Yep, they're really starting to spread the wings now. The youngsters haven't quite grasped the art of the graceful glide yet, especially not the hover. There's a lot of flapping going on. It's quite comical watching them go from tree to tree, squawking away. But yeah, it's definitely getting out there now, all of them. We've just been stood there for 5-10 minutes, and they were all just having a go at flying around the field, landing in a tree and then flying off back to the nest box. It's the way to learn. Well, I really hope you've enjoyed the lockdown series from 1 to 100. We've seen a lot of wildlife, and I hope you've learnt something and that you've enjoyed watching all the footage that I've had the pleasure of recording. I want to thank each and every one of you for keeping with me all this way, and for leaving me your comments and giving me your thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And I do hope you continue to follow me. Now we move on into the next chapter, which is going to be the wildlife and nature vlog, which will start on the very next video. So I hope you've enjoyed the series and this video. If you have, then please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel or you haven't yet subscribed, please click on this icon here or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the new series of episodes.